And we're back. 2007 Hummer H3. It's a luxury pack. Factory leather heated seats. Power heated leather seats. Chrome wheels. Factory sunroof. Nice vehicle, super clean. Perfect Carfax. Got the fifth wheel. Premium sound. Monsoon radio. Trailer tow pack. This truck's mechanically sound. It's already been service and safety inspected. Comes with a 3-month, 4,500 mile service contract over the drive line. It also is going to qualify for our guaranteed credit approval program. And on these, you're looking somewhere around $1,295 down. And this is a nice one. Come on down where the getting's good. AskCleveland.com.